Hello there, this is another probability video, and in this clip I'm going to be showing you how to get the multiplication rule from first principles. Now the multiplication rule is based on the probability of B given that A. So what we're saying is, what is the probability of this intersection over here given that we have A, which is inside this circle over here to the left. Now to come up with this rule, we're going to be using this diagram over here. In this diagram, the probability of A is small a, the probability of B is small b, and the probability of A intersection B is I. That means that this is going to be I, this intersection. This part to the left over here is going to be A minus I, and this part to the right over here is going to be B minus I. Now, like I mentioned in my previous video, this rectangle over here contains the sample space, and that is always equal to 1, and it's represented by this big S over here. Now, what is the probability of B given that A? Well, it's going to be I, this intersection over here, over A minus I, which is this part to the left, plus I, once again, which is the intersection. This result up here is the same as I over A. That is because minus I plus I is equal to 0. And this will give us the probability of A intersection B, which is I, over the probability of A, which is small a. If we want to get the result up here, we simply multiply both sides of the equation by the probability of A. And that leaves us with the probability of B given that A times the probability of A is equal to the probability of A intersection B. And this over here is the multiplication rule for probabilities. Just one more thing, if we want exactly the same formula that we have up here, we change the probability of A intersection B into the probability of B intersection A. Okay? These two over here are exactly the same thing. So it doesn't make a difference which one you use. Now we can reverse the roles of A and B. If we do that, we get the probability of A given that B times the probability of B is equal to the probability of A intersection B, which is the same as the probability of B intersection A. So this is the multiplication rule for probabilities explained and derived from first principles. If this video has been useful to you, make sure you are subscribed to my channel for more content. For extra mathematics proofs, visit my Instagram page, mathematics.proofs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.